Hello guys, and welcome to the new video, to the new tutorial about Limine. I did previously show how to get started with Limine, and in today's video, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to load third-party font and print using third-party font. The code for this tutorial is highly based on Poncho's code, which you can find here. He's here using GNU EFI. I will show you the same thing he's doing here, just with Limine bootloader. So to get started, you will go to this link. You can find it in the description. You can find it in Limine bootloader GitHub organization somewhere. Here, okay, then you are going to open a terminal. I'm assuming that you have all the packages installed. List of all packages will be also in the description, and I'm assuming that you are running some GNU/Linux distro. You can run if you are on Windows, and I will recommend to you to use Windows subsystem for Linux. So first thing to do is to make a folder for our new project. So let's go and make it. Let's go tutorial. We are going to clone this repo, as we are going to pick some files from there. Then I'm going to simply open my file manager. You can do this in Torrent, but I think for the purpose of learning, it is better to do it visually. Okay, here I'm going to open this, and I'm going to open new tab, and new tab will be our OS folder. We are going to copy everything from here, and the OK setup is doing fine. Now we're going to enter this tutorial. You can also use this template button. You can then you do this and you name it, and you have all these files there. So we are going to open in. I'm going to open in Visual Studio Code. You can open it in any text code editor which you want. You can use NeoVim, Vim, Atom, Sublime Text if you like paying for editing text. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, and here we go. So this is some code to get started, which is very similar to code shown here in my video. I'm not going to do anything with this. We don't need. I'm here to load the font. Okay. But before I'm going to write new code. Let's test this. We can do clear, make, and then we can do make run. Okay, it's compiling and we are running it. Okay, hello world. We go to Linux console fonts. Here you can choose. There are a lot of fonts. I'm going to use this Zeppelin 16 8x16 pixels. Okay, it's downloaded. Nice. This is a good thing. Here in kernel, we can make some external directory or font. Let's call it external, and let's copy that in external folder. Let me navigate the font. Okay, now we have to add it. We have to include it in our make file. So we do here, and we do this. We do cp kernel /external/ everything in external folder to ISO root. Okay, let's see, is it okay? Yes, we have ISO in our ISO. We have font in our ISO. Now we can start writing some code. Luckily, this code, I don't need to write the code manually. I can I can just go to this path to the test folder of main Limine repository, and let's see limine.c, and I don't need currently all of this. I just need get file I need. Okay, it's not here, but it is here. It is here. This is the code which needs to be in kernel.c. Copy this code. So let's change this. Okay, guys. So the error is we need to add struct here, because we are in C. We need to add a word struct. Okay, it is working now. Let's test it by compiling it. Need one more function. This function is by Massel. Link in the description. Okay, let's do this. It's a boolean. Okay, I need to include std bool. The boolean values. This is C, not C++. Have that in mind. Let's do formatting. Okay, it is not nice. Okay. Okay, code compiles. Nice, perfectly nice. And now we can start writing some code which loads font. I will write that myself. Not just gonna paste it because of some explanation going on. So yeah. Okay. So to everything be more visually appealing, I'm going to create another folder which I will call, I don't know, kernel again. And this kernel.c, it's kind of like a bootloader, like a GNU EFI. And this and here you have code. Here you write code, IDT, GDT, paging, and here you are printing from that font. And here I can create like kernel.h, and here pragma once. Let's include some basic headers, std integer h, and let's create one struct here where we will paste all data about font. It's actually gonna be 2 headers, and here is what they do each. So this is an explanation of defines and structs of our font. These 2 defines ensure that we are talking about BSF1, not BSF2 font. BSF1 header. Magic2 array contains our defines. Mode, it is a mode of our font, pretty self-explanatory. Char size, character size, also self-explanatory. PSF1 font struct, we have a pointer to our font header, and leaf buffer is our actual letters stored in binary form. Okay, now when we paste that, we can go back writing code. Okay, we do just hello world to test everything, and now we go writing some code. So we do PSF. Okay, I forgot to include our new kernel.h. Remove this unnecessary breakpoint, and let go PSF1 font. Let's go constant char pointer file name. This is name of our file. Zap light16.psf. We can do Limine file pointer file, actually struct, and here also struct because we are in C, not C++. File is equal to get file, so we're calling this function, and parameter is our name of the file, and then if file is equal to null, then I just print error, like okay, we don't have E9 printf. Okay, I can use this terminal request dot response write to terminal string length. Okay, here is a message. Failed to get font. Okay, let's copy this here. Okay, semicolon, and we can do ACF. You can halt and crash it if you want. And okay, let's go. So font.psf1 header is equal to psf1 header pointer to file address. So psf1 header is equal to file dot address. Struct here. I almost forgot. Get address, and then if font, now we are checking is this font right font for us. Font.psf1 header magic is not equal to 0x36, and or font.psf, so both values need to be true for us to continue. Magic 1 is not equal to 0x04. Then we just print that our font is invalid. Here is forgot comma. Let's print that our font header is valid. Halt. Okay, and now we can do this font.glyph buffer equal to void pointer. Let's cast it as un64 file.address plus size of psf1 header. Okay, so we loaded our font. Now we just need to pass our structure to the kernel, to the new kernel, however is right to say, and okay, we go here and we load rest of our operating system. So we go back here and we do kernel, no, let's say main.c, and we have to include kernel.h, and okay, let's make function here. Let's make function based on here. So we just need to pass psf1 font. Let's do void main psf1 font PSF1 font. Same thing here. Let's struct. I always forget. PSF1 font. Then return here. Here it is struct because we are in C, not C++. In C++ we don't need to add this keyword before struct name. Okay, now we just need to add few functions, which is going to use this to print our stuff. Okay, also we are going to need a frame buffer, so let me implement frame buffer here. Let me just copy and paste. Okay, I have all the data now, and we can now make functions to do work here. Okay, so we are going to need two functions, and here is a clear function, but that is for your homework. You can just copy and paste. So let's make a function, put char. We need frame buffer as parameter, struct frame buffer, and struct PSF1 font, PSF1 font. Let's go. Unsigned integer pointer ptr is equal. Let's cast it as unsigned integer pointer frame buffer. So frame buffer base address is in void pointer, but we need it as unsigned integer pointer. So we are casting here. Let's do char pointer font ptr, and we are casting as char pointer PSF1 font live buffer plus. Okay, we need a few more parameters. Char, this is our char, and we need x position. We need x and y. We need x and y. This is these are position where char will be printed. So char. So we have to do some sum. I mean, in integer, this is just ASCII value of char. Here is actually like we are doing multiplication here. PSF1 font, PSF1 header, char size. Okay, And for unsigned, okay, I think we can just copy this off. This is a formatting. No. I forgot semicolon here. Okay, and here is just epsilon. Epsilon here. X. And here is the frame buffer. Dot and X here. And here is actually a color. And since you can save color in variable somewhere in main.c or basic render.cpp or in kernel.h or somewhere else, but I'm just going to add color here as a parameter. Color. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to implement a print string, but I need to make one more struct, and struct is called not here, actually here, and this struct is called cursor position. This struct holds information where cursor is. Okay, so let me see what it is. It's just unsigned integer. Unsigned integer x, unsigned integer epsilon. Okay, very nice. Okay, and now we can I can make print function. Okay, print cursor position. Okay, cursor position, cursor. Let's do multi-line editing. Cursor. Let's make uppercase because in code my code is uppercase. Let's struct here. Cursor. Okay, I need also frame buffer. Struct frame buffer frame buffer. Okay, frame buffer color. Okay, we can just do white. Okay, I need white to add here. Okay, I need also this as a parameter here. And, PS1 font. Okay, that here. Cursor. Okay, now I need a color. Let's see.
On front page. This is pretty
okay, too complicated. Let's see it here. Here I have color struct, and white is this color. Now it is on you to play with colors. So you have code here how to play with colors. So I'm not leaving you without anything. Now let's test this code. Let's go and print hello from kernel, and let's test new character. Let's hope this works. Okay, kernel h. Okay, I need to include one more header file as the definition of h. Okay, we get black picture. Let me fix this. So the error is that here is an error, so model request is 0, and this is fixed by simply adding this line to kernel config to Limine config. Okay, and now this should work. Okay, let's add these lines too. Okay, let's test it now. Okay, we have this, and let's call this function now, and hopefully it should work. And it doesn't. Okay, maybe the error is somewhere here, or it is here. It's here. It's somewhere here, probably. Let's print hello world again. It's here. Let's see. No, it just prints once. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so there is no error. Good. Maybe it fails again here. No, it doesn't fail here again. Let me see the config. Everything seems okay. Is it cold? Well, let's try to get interrupt here, then it should restart. It should get to triple fault, exception. Okay, function is called, but why is it not printing anything? Maybe there's a problem somewhere. Let me see. So maybe there's a colors. Color shouldn't be a problem. Let's try to put char, single char. Okay, frame buffer. Okay, so a So problem is what I think that here we are using frame buffer as a pointer, and that is probably an issue. So let me use as it is. Okay, let's do it. Are we passing everything here? Yes. Okay, let's try now. And it fails again. Okay. Okay guys, so I fixed the issue, and I think the issue is that I did some typo while typing this code. So I checked here, and this code is same as here. I just did some typo while copying it. And now we should get this new line, and we are getting. Let me just add a few new lines so we can see better. Okay, here it is, and here here is text from our Limine, using Limine to print, and here is this sharper text. This text we are printing this sharper text using font, third-party font. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for some mistakes, like not putting module in config file or doing some type. But in short, you just copy, you just clone Limine bootloader, and you copy this code, or you type it. So you have to copy this code, main.c, kernel.h, and something from this kernel.c. So all code is on Nord. So basically you have to copy these two functions and these three structs, and that's it. I hope you also enjoyed some explanation if done. I'm going to do some explanation in edit if I found enough research for it. And this was the second video where I talk about Limine. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe. See you guys later.